We have, I guess this is our second time unboxing SnackCrate together. Oh God, that is exciting stuff. I knew which country I had for the first box just because I picked it because it was your first one. I don't know what this is, and actually this is the next to last box because we actually switched to Universal Yums, which is exciting. But I have this box and then one more coming to do with you guys. Got my trusty box opener here. Oh, these are always a little different on how they are. Oh, it said, I was thrown off a little bit. These snacks are expired. Just kidding, they aren't. But you might think that if you don't pay close attention to the date format to help, okay. It's just basically saying other formats compared to the US formats are completely different, which obviously they got some feedback on that. So, ooh, the Netherlands. Okay, this is exciting stuff. This month's crate is from the Netherlands. The capital is Amsterdam. The country was established in 1648. Population is about 17 million. And the area is about 16,000 square miles. Fun fact, on average, Dutch men are the tallest people in the world. The Dutch are the largest consumers of licorice. Interesting, eating over 70 million pounds every year. Wow, there are more bikes in the Netherlands than there are people. 75% of the world's flower bulbs come from the Netherlands each year. Interesting. Okay, let's get into it. I'm not going to, well, you know, we'll have to look at this at some point because I won't know what things are. So here we go. We're going to open her up. Ooh, interesting. Okay, I guess we'll just grab, right? Just like we did last time with Germany. Lay's flavored potato chips give me jitters sometimes. And jitters, I mean, because some of them are very strange flavors. So this is potace jopi flavor. See, this is where I need this. These chips are flavored with mustard, onion, curry, and mayo, also known as jopies sauce. So good. Okay. They just smell like regular Lay's potato chips with maybe a hint of honey mustard. What did they say it was? Mustard, onion, curry, and mayo. Okay, so you instantly get the mustard here. I haven't eaten lunch yet, so this is great. These are good. If you've ever had the Schneider's pretzels with the mustard flavor, hot mustard maybe. These are delightful. I like it. I can see how there's some onion. I'm not getting much curry or mayo, and I know both of those flavors, but I do like these. Very mustardy deliciousness. Croaky, Bolognese flavor. I like the little carrot on there. Interesting. Okay, let's read this. These unique chips are flavored with the tangy tomatoey goodness of Bolognese sauce. I believe Bolognese, I'm not a huge pasta person, but I believe Bolognese is a tomato-based sauce with meat in it. It's usually really thick and hearty. Croaky though, I have never heard of this brand. Again, they look like Lay's. Ooh. If you've had Pretz, which are the Asian, like those stick things. They look like Pockies, but they have Pretz, which are the savory version. They have a tomato flavor of that, and that's what this smells like. So okay, so I wouldn't call this tomatoey, but it's not bad. I was thinking it was going to be more like that Pretz style or garden vegetable from the Sociable crackers with that really tangy, herbaceous flavor. But these are good. They're just not what I was expecting at all. They're not bad. They just kind of like taste like chips. Croaky. Who knew? Okay. Okay. I'm very familiar with the Stroopwaffle. These are amazing. You put them, how I'm familiar with them is you get a cup of tea or coffee, and let's just open it as I do this. And you put this on top of your hot tea or coffee, so then the heat and the steam soften this, and then you take a bite of it, and it's delicious. And oh, there's 2 in here. Wow. Costco usually sells these, and a lot of holy shoot, this is really caramely. I mean, I'm not complaining. And a lot of coffee shops will do as well. Holy cow, guys! Do you see that? So it's a waffle or a crisp on the outside, and then there's caramel. I think that there's 2 here. What's it say? Soft toasted waffle filled with caramel. Yeah, 2 waffles here, but they are very stuck together. So if you know me, this definitely counts as 1. Let's read what this just says, just for crunchy waffles filled with creamy caramel. Place on a cup of hot coffee or tea to soften the caramel. This is delicious. I don't have any coffee or tea available, but I'm just gonna go in here because I'm not afraid. This thing is as big as my face. Well, half my face, but here's my hand. I'm guessing it's gonna be chewy, deliciousness, caramely. Yummy, yum, yum. Oh, wait. Smells like all that I just said. Yep. Oh, cinnamony maybe? Just, or is it just caramel? This is delicious. I need to stop, otherwise I'll keep going on this one. But got a good chew. If you wanted to share with a friend, I guess you could do that. You can pull these apart if you really wanted to. Oh, what if I put a chunk of ice cream in there? I might just do that. Anyways, we're gonna leave this right like this. This is delicious. If you don't know about Stroopwafels, you need to go change that immediately. Okay, next I see Dutch Bakery Windmill Cookie, Dutch Spice Cookie. Is that even on here? Is this a bonus cookie? Oh yeah. The Netherlands is in its most traditional snack form. The classic speculoos cookies in the shape of a Dutch windmill. So you know what this, it reminds me of the cookies that you get on the planes, and oh shoot, this always happens. And you dip them in your Coke because they're spiced. And I don't know why you dip them in your Coke, but I do that and it's delicious. Okay, mine is unfortunately broken, but that's okay. Oh yeah, let me grab the other half. don't know what the top of the windmill is, but you can kind of see it. Maybe it's this way then. Dee-dee. Okay, and it smells, oh, they're Biscoff. Biscoff. It smells like a Biscoff. Cinnamony, spiced. It looks crumbly. Again, you could dip this in your tea, coffee, Coca-Cola. It's kind of like Biscoff, but it's more buttery. I like that. It's got a good crunch to it. Okay. Next, oh, interesting. Are 5 little candles. 5 little candies. Hopjes? Rademacher? Coffee? Hopjes? What is this? Rademacher Hopjes. Named after Baron Hendrik Hopp, a noted coffee lover. These coffee candies have been made since the late 1700s. Interesting. And there's 5 of them, which is great. And they're very cutely wrapped in paper. Oh, one of my neighbors is pulling out their huge ass RV, and there's the tiniest dog in the driver's lap. So that was hilarious. And okay, so it's paper wrapped. It smells like just sugar. Is it soft? No, it's hard. I don't really have the patience to suck on hard candies a lot. But I feel if I try and bite this, my teeth would hurt me. Or be mad at me. Really good coffee flavor. If you've had anything like the coffee nips or anything, that's what it tastes like. There's also this one coffee candy called Coffee Rio. That is very good. That's very similar to the taste. This is delightful. However, for the sake of everyone's time, we're going to move on to our last thing that we see. This looks like feels like a strawberry leather. Oh, I heart veggie. Wait a minute. Katcha. There's a cat on it. Original Sour Power Zuri matches. I like that it tells you where to open it, which is great. Let's read about it because I can't. These Zur matches. These fruit-flavored sour gummy ribbons are intense but balanced with sweetness. So are they made out of veggies though? Fruit-flavored sour. Okay. Well, it doesn't tell me what flavor it is, but it's red, so I'm just guessing it just tastes like red. This whole like open here thing, not. Why did they do this to me? Okay, we're prepared this time. Just going to ever so carefully do that. And of course I didn't get it cut far enough. So I'm gonna have to do a little up. It's fine. It's fine. Oh, okay. So these look like the little sour strips. We have them here Airheads, I believe, makes these. It smells like a sour fruit belt. You know, they usually come in like rainbow colors. Smells like red. Sour punch. Sour punch. Sour fruit punch. Mmm. Wow. Wow. Wow, that's good. Mmm. These are great. They are very sour, but then it turns to sweet. But that sour kick at the beginning is quite enjoyable. Okay, these are great. Okay, we are going to rank them as we did last time from most favorite. Well, let's go from least favorite to most favorite. Least favorite, these just because I was expecting more tomatoey zinginess. Then we're gonna go with the windmill cookie just because I have to pick something. It was good though. Then I will go with the coffee candy. Then we'll go with the mustard Lay's. Second place, we're going with the sour strips. And you know what that leaves us for first place. This deliciousness. I'm half tempted to like get some ice cream and put it in the middle. I probably won't do that, but multiple days worth of snack treat here. So SnackCrate again, we have one more box coming. Universal Yum should be coming as well. So we will do a full video on that. Thank you for joining me. If you have any other snack subscription boxes, please comment below. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I would love it if you were to join me for these little snack tastings and any other tasting that I do actually. Give me a thumbs up and go follow me on Instagram, TastyTriesAndAsianEyes, and also on Facebook. But thanks for stopping by.